This is the horizontal four-stroke. The horizontal four-stroke is probably the most widely used engine out there. You'll find these in ATVs, dirt bikes, scooters, pit bikes, dune buggies, go-karts, and a lot of the offshore street bikes. These range anywhere from 50 to 150 cc's and can be expanded beyond that with the use of a big bore kit. Finding your cc size is usually fairly simple. They generally stamp them into the top of the cylinder, as in this one right here saying 124. This is a 125. Sometimes it'll be on different positions on the cylinder depending on the manufacturer. These are very, very reliable, and there's a reason why they use them everywhere. This type of engine has been used since probably the late 70s, this design, and just been copied and remanufactured in different fashions. Things you're going to want to note: is it electric start? Does it have a top mount start or a bottom mount start? Does it have a kick start or a combination of both, just like this guy? Carburetor positioning: is it facing forward? Is it facing back? So that you know for your air filter size. Anything else you're going to want to know on this? They're pretty straightforward, pretty common engine. Definite upgrades you're going to want to do to it. If you want to get a bit more pizzazz out of it, you're going to offer yourself a good high quality performance CDI like ours. Starter solenoids, common on most Chinese machines failing. Our high quality unit will definitely get you the reliability you're looking for. Stators, very common for stators. As you can tell with this unit, chain comes off, smashes the case, takes the stator out, and we also have engine cases available. But our high quality direct replacement stators will definitely improve your ride. An awesome upgrade for these is the Mikuni. Our Mikunis are direct bolt onto these and will definitely get your reliability and performance. And you're going to want to get yourself a good high quality breathing air filter. Our air filters are definitely a step above the rest and will get you the performance that you're looking for. All in all, these are a pretty solid engine. When maintained properly, they will give you a long life of reliable running.